Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best KLR 650 mirrors is probably one of the most overlooked upgrades for any adventure bike. Today, we're diving deep into the world of KLR 650 mirrors, exploring why upgrading your mirrors can significantly enhance your riding experience. We'll cover everything from improved visibility and durability to the aesthetic appeal of different mirror styles, ensuring you can make an informed decision for your next ride. Number 5. MICTUNING Hawkeye Motorcycle Rear View Mirror. This motorcycle mirror features a 6.1-inch super large glass lens. It provides a high definition and wider view, making it easy to see upcoming vehicles and obstacles. This helps ensure a safer ride. The motorbike wing mirror set has a ball-type universal connecting joint. This allows it to rotate 360 degrees, so you can adjust it up, down, or sideways. This ensures you get the best viewing angle. These scooter wing mirrors are made of a high-impact ABS shell, genuine glass lens, and a sturdy steel stem. This makes them shockproof and corrosion-resistant, perfect for all weather conditions. It's built to last. The mirror has a unique Hawkeye design with a streamlined shape. This reduces wind drag compared to older round mirrors. It also makes your motorbike more eye-catching. It comes with a 10mm clockwise threaded bolt and a 7/8 handlebar clamp. This makes it suitable for most motorbikes, street bikes, ATVs, dirt bikes, BMX bicycles, and scooters. You can easily install it on your vehicle. What we like. This mirror provides a clear and wide view, ensuring safety on the road. Its unique Hawkeye design adds a stylish touch to your bike. If you're looking for a mirror that combines both functionality and aesthetics, you should consider this one. What people say. They are perfect in size and easy to install while providing great field of view. The L and R mirrors were perfected threaded for the Suzuki DR350 dual sport bike. Screw right in. No adapters needed. Good looking and functional mirrors. Number 4. KEMIMOTO ATV mirrors, wide angle and adjustable. These mirrors feature protective rubber sleeves, shielding the interfaces from rain and debris. This design helps prevent rust and adds a layer of protection. It ensures the longevity of the mirrors. The mirrors come with multiple accessories, including a 7/8 handlebar mount. They also include 10mm to 8mm and 10mm to 10mm screws, making them compatible with various bikes and ATVs. This ensures a wide range of usability. With 360-degree ball-type adjustments, you can easily find the perfect angle. The mirrors are tested to maintain performance and stability, even in tough conditions. This feature minimizes vibration and ensures the mirror stays in place. The mirrors are made with high-impact ABS housing and scratch-resistant coating. This construction makes them durable and sturdy, ensuring they can withstand daily use. The design also adds a cool look to your vehicle. These mirrors provide clear, undistorted images with a wide field of view. The convex mirrors reduce blind spots, enhancing your driving safety. Backing up becomes easier with a clear view. What we like. This mirror features a protective rubber sleeve, keeping the interfaces away from rain and mud. It offers 360-degree ball-type adjustment for the perfect viewing angle. If you prioritize durability and adaptability, especially in various weather conditions, it is a great choice. What people say. Designed to fit handlebars with both 8mm and 10mm threads, these mirrors offer versatility and flexibility in installation. The 360 degrees ball-type adjustment mechanism is a game-changer when it comes to finding the perfect viewing angle. Made from high-quality materials, these mirrors are built to withstand the rigors of off-road adventures and harsh weather conditions. Number 3. Doubletake Adventure 1.0 Motorcycle Mirror Kit. Introducing the Doubletake Adventure 1.0 Mirror Kit. This kit offers exceptional visibility for all your adventures. It's designed to give you the best view possible. The Adventure 1.0 is universally compatible. It comes with multiple adapters, ensuring it fits almost any motorcycle. This makes it a versatile choice for any rider. Featuring a 6-ram arm, this mirror extends further than others. This design enhances visibility, especially on loaded bikes. It's perfect for adventure and touring motorcycles. The mirror has reflector dimensions of 5.25 x 3.5. The convex lens provides a wide field of view, enhancing safety. It meets SAE and CE specifications. Doubletake mirrors are built to last. Made from glass-reinforced Zidal, they offer unmatched durability. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing your satisfaction. Upgrade your ride with the Adventure 1.0. It's the perfect combination of durability, visibility, and universal fit. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This mirror offers a universal fit with multiple adapters included. The 6-ram arm provides an excellent view, especially on loaded bikes. If you value a wide field of view and long-term reliability, it's a perfect choice, backed by a lifetime warranty. What people say. Mirrors and arms are made in USA. Excellent long-term durability, 5+ years proven. Great visibility and adjustability. Number 2. KEMIMOTO Universal Motorcycle Mirrors. These mirrors offer a 360-degree rotation and 20-degree sway adjustment, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle. With them, you can easily spot approaching vehicles and obstacles, eliminating the need to constantly look over your shoulder while riding. Featuring convex glass lenses, these mirrors provide a high-definition, wide-angle view. The high-impact ABS shell and sturdy black coating ensure they are built to last, offering long-lasting performance. Designed with a unique stealth appearance and robust ABS construction, these rearview mirrors offer a perfect fit for your bike. The 6x3.3 surface and the sharply bent 11.5mm stem provide exceptional stability, minimizing vibrations. Installing these handlebar mirrors is a breeze. The package includes 2 mirrors, one for the left and one for the right, along with 5 bolts to ensure a secure fit. These mirrors are widely compatible with most brands of motorbikes, scooters, ATVs, and sports bikes. For optimal performance, it's recommended to use a blue thread locker to prevent vibration or loss. The mounting bracket is included, making it even easier to install these mirrors on your vehicle. Get ready to experience improved safety and a better view of the road. What we like. This mirror widens your vision with its convex glass lenses, enhancing safety. It has a sturdy ABS construction and is easy to install. If you want a mirror that offers both a wide view and easy installation, you should consider this one. What people say. The stems on these reach farther out, allowing far greater visibility. No shaking, and very stable at all speeds. Semi-aggressive aerodynamic look too. Mirrors fit perfectly. Minimal vibration, sportier look than stock. The quality of the mirror is excellent. I am able to easily see and identify things behind me with ease. Adjusting them by hand is easy to do, but not overly loose. They stay where you set them. Number 1. Hoosier Stealth Motorcycle Mirrors, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Honda, Victory. Tired of those bulky stock mirrors? These Hoosier Stealth mirrors are the perfect upgrade. They offer a sleek, modern look that will instantly transform the appearance of your motorcycle. The stealth design of these mirrors provides a clean and aggressive look. It's a subtle yet impactful change that enhances the overall aesthetic of your bike. Built to last, these mirrors feature a heavy-duty 11.5mm stem. This ensures they can withstand the rigors of the road, providing stability and clear visibility. Designed to fit a wide range of motorcycles, including Kawasaki, Suzuki, Honda, and Victory models. Installation is straightforward, making it easy to upgrade your bike. These mirrors provide a clear and wide field of view. This will significantly improve your awareness of the surroundings, enhancing safety on every ride. What we like. This mirror features a heavy-duty 11.5mm stem for enhanced stability. Its stealth style adds a sleek look to your motorcycle. If you are looking for a mirror with a robust build and a stylish design, it is a great choice. What people say. They installed perfectly on my Kawasaki Vaquero with no issues. They are easy to adjust but seem to hold their position well after a lot of riding. The view to the rear is pretty good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.